Welcome to Botbiz. In this video we'll show you how to send automatic WhatsApp message when you will enter data in Google Sheet. To begin, we must install an add-on known as Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Go to Extensions and choose Get Add-ons. Search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. This add-on is completely free to use, and it does not require a Pabbly Connect account. Click Install. Choose your account and allow it to install and wait while Pabbly Connect Webhooks is being installed. After installation, add your data to the Google Sheet. Go to Extensions, select Pabbly Connect Webhooks and choose Send on Event. And hold a moment. Now get back to the Extensions tab. Choose Pabbly Connect Webhooks and check if Send on Event option is checked. Then choose the initial setup. You'll need webhook URL and trigger column to enter. Go to the Botbiz dashboard. Go to WhatsApp Webhook Workflow panel. And click Create. Give a workflow name. And select Sheets from Message Template. Click the Create Workflow button. Now copy the webhook callback URL. Go back to the Google Sheets and paste it into webhook URL box. The trigger column will be your final data column to which if the data is added. The whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. Type your desired column name in trigger column and click Send Test button. The message says that test data sent successfully. Let's check if the data is sent or not. Go to Botbiz dashboard and click Capture Webhook Response. In the webhook response mapping, choose the data you just sent from Google Sheet as a test. It is just for the very first time. And click Save Workflow. Click Submit and close it. Let's add a new row for the test. Let's check. Click the report view of the workflow. Yes, the data has been received successfully. Let's try another one. Yes, the second test data is also received. This is how you can integrate Botbiz in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching the video.